Hello, it's Dave with DavesTR4A again. Well, there it is. My windshield wiper motor lasted all of about 4 minutes. I went to lunch with some guy, or met some guys for lunch yesterday. It was kind of decent weather when I left, but on the way home it started to rain and flipped on the windshield wipers, and they worked for about 2 minutes, and then I heard a pop, which was the fuse going. And since the sun switched 12 volts and I only lost the wiper, I lost my brake lights, my turn signals, and the fuel gauge. It was great. So anyway, I called the guy that rebuilt this thing, and what we're going to do is I'm going to send him this back, and I'm going to go ahead and I've been watching or reading some forum conversations about guys, primarily in England, that routinely replace these two-speed TR4A style wiper motors with TR6 motors, which are much more durable and powerful. So I think I'm going to do that. In fact, the guy rebuilder offered to exchange this straight across for a TR6, a rebuilt TR6 wiper motor. So that's what I'm going to do, I think. So that involves mounting the new one in there. I have to get a different switch, of course. I got to get a later, like I think it's a 72 to 76 switch that also it also incorporates a windshield washer, like electric pump switch, so I can get rid of my push. I don't even know what you call it. It's like a air pump thing that's supposed to squirt windshield washer fluid on the windshield. That's never worked. So anyway, this is going in a box. Going to go back to the rebuilder, and best of luck with it for the next guy. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the TR6 one, and then we'll. You can follow along with me as I get going on that, but the first thing is get this off in the mail to the guy so he can turn it around the TR6 unit to me. So yeah, I might post a little more detail on what I plan to do here on this YouTube video, but we'll be going through the whole enjoyable experience, because not to I guess trip my hand or anything, but I'm planning on going on a pretty long trip in June. We're going from Cincinnati to Kansas City in one day, and then from Kansas City to Colorado Springs the second day, and then we're going to spend some time in Colorado Springs. And the primary goal is to go up Pikes Peak in our Triumphs. There's going to be, I think, at least 8 cars. All of them are Triumphs except for one guy's got a Lotus. He's gonna ride along. So anyway, once that's done, then we're gonna go. My wife and I are gonna go from Colorado Springs to Rapid City, Iowa. Go visit Mount Rushmore, and then we're going to go further north to Yellowstone, and start heading east again back towards the Midwest, and go through the Badlands and see what we can see there, and then ultimately head home. So it's probably going to be about 3,000 miles, I guess, but I want to make sure my windshield wiper is working, and also have a windshield pump or washer fluid pump that's electric. So I haven't decided if I want to do just get a pump for mine, or throw away my whole TR4A thing and get a TR6 type reservoir with a pump incorporated right in that. So anyway, that's where we're at. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, I went out to my friend Todd Bermuda's yesterday and picked up a mounting bracket off of an old tub he had out there. I just drilled out the spot welds, and that I'm not sure if that's going to go or not. We'll see here in a second. And I got a switch. This is the 72 to 76 switch. It's a rotary. And it's got the 2 connectors for the windshield washer pump, so I'll be able to put an electric pump in. And I got the bracket for this guy, but I'll have to pick up a new rubber insulator. So let's take this over and look at the car real quick. So it looks like that ought to fit. I have to maybe notch the bracket on this side to clear this raised up reinforcement piece here, I guess. I'm just going to leave this here. This is for the old pump. This is for the old wiper motor. So, and I'm not sure if this will fit the TR6 motor or not. I imagine it probably will. And the other issue is this ferrule here that has to screw into the pipe here to connect all that structure together that this cable runs up and down in. And the other thing too is that somebody, or my friend Jerry Van Vleck, was telling me that this short tube that goes from the wiper motor to the wheel box here underneath may be slightly different on a TR6. So I'll have to look at that too, and I can probably pick up one of those from Todd also. So anyway, that's where we're at. Should get the motor next week, and we can start fabbing this up. Oh, I also have to get the wire too, but I'm just going to go to Advanced Auto Wire, and I just like their wire is just really nice quality stuff. So that's where I bought my wire harness from. So I'm going to go ahead and order that from Steve at Advanced Auto Wire. So anyway, that's where we're at, and I'll keep you posted as I keep getting things together for this. Thanks a lot for watching. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.